Saving telco from itself, overcoming the top 5 challenges in 2024. 2024 will be a key year for telcos to embrace a solution mindset and make the transition to software-driven success. How does the telco industry save itself from itself and successfully transform? Here are the top 5. Own a solution mindset. Invest in software excellence. Embrace the edge. Follow the gravity of open architectures. Dial down the Futurama. Let's double-click on Embrace the Edge. Edge computing is providing a critical opportunity for connectivity providers like telcos. The digital solution plane is becoming deconstructed to include the public cloud, network edges, and on-prem equipment, including sensors that can run their own AI workloads. Latency is currency is a great maxim, but the value prop for edge goes far beyond. Edge capabilities don't necessarily mean edge equipment in telco cages, but it could mean edge equipment on-prem that acts as a secure and logical extension of the cloud through telco connectivity, thus giving business the flexibility to process workloads locally and mitigating hyperscaler costs while maintaining data sovereignty. Solving problems that intelligently use the edge will drive new connectivity, and not always cellular. But it will drive best cost routing, CAPEX, OPEX leverage, business model innovation, and inherently reinforce the telco as a trusted solution partner for business. An example is SoftBank, who is partnering with NVIDIA to build out distributed edge AI factories across Japan. It's a bold bet to own a key dependency, and a way to own a highly optimized part of the infrastructure that leverages connectivity as well as AI compute. We don't want telcos to help us to escape to the future, but we need to make today work by committing to the transformation needed to save the telco industry from itself. Subscribe and share. Stay tuned for part 5.